bukiri na guys. Oh. Yeah, I think itong bahay na to is wala ng tao. So, kamatis din dito sa kabila.
Ray says happy belated birthday.
Thank you. I have a mushy cake.
She says thank you. She had a mushy cake.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. Today is, ang araw ngayon is itong ibang araw. Anyway, today is, binalik ko to guys, yung mga sinuot ko kahapon. Kasi, binalik ko siya kasi hindi pa ako ligo. Mamaya na ako maligo. And, punta din kami ni Tami sa hindi magpunta, maglakad-lakad doon sa kalsada para exercise kasi. Han?
Yeah.
I changed.
What?
I changed already.
Okay.
What do you want?
You got a letter from USCIS coming today.
A letter?
Yeah.
Show me. Do you know what it is?
How would I know what it is? What?
Wala, oy. Usually, hindi sila magpadala ng sulat. Mag-ano lang sila kapag may importante na talaga. Email and mail. Ewan ko guys, anong gagawin. Alam nyo guys, kung aalis ako dito, hindi man ako iiyak. Oh my God, hindi na ako dito. Pwede pa man ipag-fight ito. I-fight kung for example talagang paalisin nila ako dito. Wala naman akong ginawang masama, matagal na ako dito. Sobrang stricto lang talaga ngayon na si Donald Trump yung president. Sobrang stricto talaga, and then mas grabe. So wala naman akong ginawang masama. Masaya ako kapag makauwi ako ng Pinas. Nasaya talaga ako kasi kapag doon ako, kapag ipaprocess niya to fight, mas mabuti pang doon na lang kami titira. I mean, i-fight namin, ganon, para makabalik, labas-pasok ako. Over 10 years na, 12 years na ako dito. And, almost, mag-13, nag-12 talaga ako, this last month, nag-12 years ako dito. And, pwede naman akong, pwede namang ipaglaban. Paglaban mo, ang karapatan mo. Go. It's really not good, this thing.
What was this?
Huh?
What was that?
Rose.
And you cut it down to nothing?
It will still grow. Ito yung binungkal, guys.
Still some grassy.
No, I cannot. No, I need to put soil. I mean, flatten it. Doon ang punta namin, guys. So, ito yung kapitbahay namin, guys. They have a nice house. Right? Kapitbahay namin. Yun yung bahay namin doon, look. Bahay namin doon. Ang nakakatawa dito, guys, yung mga tao dito, guys, tulog pa. For sure, kasi walang trabaho. Tulog. Itong bahay dito, oh, it's a nice yard right here. Maganda yung mga yard nila dito, guys. Magandahan, look, the house is nice, huh? Right? Dalawang bahay. Maganda. Nice house, right?
That's great.
Yeah.
Oh, look it. The notice is on the door.
Huh?
The notice is on the door.
Yeah. Taas na, guys. Bukiri na, guys. Oh. Yeah. I think itong bahay na to is wala ng tao. Foreclose na yan. Bangko na yung ari. I don't wanna see. I don't wanna go.
Why?
Look at this, guys. This is for Christmas, guys. Oh. Yeah. Huh?
Pine cone?
Pine cone. Christmas. Sobrang bukirin. Yeah, yes, guys. Dito kami nakatira sa bukirin. Well, ito yung klaseng bukirin na may magagandang bahay. Kapitbahay na magandang bahay. Look at the mimoy. Hi, baby. We walk slow, guys, kasi relax walking man ito. And going down, it hurt my knee. My arthritis. It hurt your knee?
You go down, you try to stop yourself from moving too fast.
Look, I see.
Your body weight is pulling you fast.
I see you like you kind of breaking a little bit. Hey, we have to walk that way.
Why is that?
Because we know what's coming.
I can hear. Oh, guys.
Huh? Yun guys, magandang bahay dyan. Oh. Ito, maganda yan siya. Mahal yan. Yung pagbili namin ng bahay namin, ito for sale yan. Yan siya dyan. Ganda ng bukidhan as like han. It's nice. The house over there too. Hello baby! Hi, we are back home. We are home. We are home. Na ako dito guys, nag-cut. Okay. Nagka-cut doon. Matigas yung ulo guys. Nag-cut siya ng ano, doon sa mga kahoy namin. Tapos na dito. Yan. Palabasin ko na yung mga aso guys kasi gusto nila lang lumabas. At ito yung garden natin. Lovely. Kailangan pang mag-add ng ano dito. Mag-add pa kami ng tawag nito. Soil para mataas-taas yung ano. Can we do barbecue one leg at a time? Because we don't have enough food, baby. You're gonna be so juicy. You have a lot of fatty. Can we do barbecue, you? Barbecue one leg at a time. Yan, barbecue one leg. You one leg, baby. One leg at a time. You are such a fatty camp. Look at this. Look at this. Hi, little baby boy. Oh, girl, de paloy. You are such a girly girl. Look at this. Nagbilang ka naman na. Ito yung babae namin, guys. Mahilig magbilang ka. Kung ano pa ito, guys. Kung hindi pa ito tuli. Ginoo ko na bubuntis na ito. Buntis kasi uwagan kang ringa ka. Monkey na pangkiki. Look at my husband, guys. Playing, guys. He's playing. This is my little boy. He never, I can hug and smooch him. He never hurt me. He's such a loving boy. He's such a loving little boy. He's such a
No matter what you do, then,
yeah, he is such a loving baby. Loving baby. Now, look at that face.
where do you come from?
But we're talking too much here, and he said maybe there's food. Oh, no. Come to mama. Come here. Let me hug you. Hug-a-bulya. Come up. He will let me do anything. He will let me do everything. Look at him. I love him too much. Even his dada, his dada is wanting to kiss him now. He want to kiss him. Oh, kiss him.
Big eyes.
Not Roxy's jealous.
Big eyes. Oh, you guys get ready to jump off your mama onto my shoulder. I can see it. He said, yes, he's planning.
I love you.
He's scoping it out. You're scoping it out. I see that. I can always tell in your face.
Alahan, your daughter is jealous. Another bag, guys. Ilagay ko lang siya dito. Mag-add ako dito. one bag is okay. If there is extra, I can add. You can use anything container. This is supposedly garbage sa isang bahay, pero yan, gamitin natin siya. This is for flowers, look, for the cat grass. Tammy's first planting. Guys, look. Nilagay niya doon para hindi kainin ng aso. Kasi ito palaging kinakain. Don't eat, ha? Don't eat. No eating over there.
On there. What?
Yeah, so transfer ko dyan. Ito din dito, dalawa. Anyway guys, kunin ko yung ano guys, yung mail kasi gusto kong malaman kung ano yung pinadala ng USCIS sa akin. Why you have a wet nose, huh? Can you give mama a kiss? Kisses. You like to ignore me. Give mama a kiss. Give mama a kiss. Give mama a kiss, baby. Kisses, no. So, may mga damit ito lahat ni Tami. So, ihahang. Kasi malinis man ito. Mga laba-laban niya. Ganon. Hala, nilinis talaga niya guys. Look. Nilinis talaga niya yung area. Tignan mo. Look. Hoy! 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 Dami, ay nako talaga ang buhay na to. Sira man yung ano ba? Si Tapi tapos guys. Ang taga. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Okay. Let's go. Okay, guys. Ilagay natin ito siya dito para maalala natin. Hindi pa rin tapos. So, kamatis din dito sa kabila. What? I know. Hindi ko siya nilagay lahat kasi marami na dito. Pag mamatay yan, meron tayong extra.
No, sometimes I'll take a bottle of beer with me.
And then meron na akong mag-plant.
Maryann's working on her garden.
Mag-plant na ako dito. Pagkatapos nito, anuhin ko siya ng tubig, guys.
Whatever. Well, this was the biggest she wanted for now. I mean, we can always add to it, I guess. It'll just have a little divider. Hon, Ray says happy belated birthday.
Thank you. I have a mushy cake.
She says thank you. She had a mushy cake. I think about. I stopped at the ice cream store here and picked up ice cream cake the day before. Yeah. And there's no room in the freezer. And it's still a bag of ice. So I said, there's nothing else in the refrigerator. So I said, obviously that. It was too sweet though. I think the ice cream parlor here is too. The ice cream is. Well, I think they probably are. I mean, this ice cream parlor is open. It's all walk-up windows. They have plastic.
Okay, dito ako, guys. Lagay tayo dito ng lettuce. Dito
Take something to poke into the ground to make a hole.
No, I can do it, honey. So this is lettuce.
I got something for you to poke it with.
Pagod, guys, nakakapagod. Nakakapagod man either. Ang sarap ang amoy.
Well, they were fighting for different reasons. You know, Pelosi wanted to get money to the Center for the Arts and
Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon, guys. Grabe. Ang ganda. Chicken, ganda. Naka-edit na ako't lahat-lahat. Ngayon kakain na kami. Sabi ko, Han, nagutom na ako. It's 5:30. So, ang bilis kong naka-edit. Kasi sabi ko, i-edit natin itong ginawa nating face mask and then i-upload agad. So, yun. Nakapag-edit agad and then upload natin yan. I-finalize lang and then upload. Ginawa ni Tami. Ang sarap na chicken na yan. And, yun po. Tapos na din siya. Initin ko lang. Yan, initin ko lang yan. And, ang saya mag-garden, no? Yung parang totoong garden, hindi lang yung laro-laro. Alam niyo, na-miss ko yung Pilipinas. Masaya din mag-garden kasi hindi ka na bumibili ng mga lupa. Dito, bili ka ng lupa. Kailangan yung lupa na maganda. Ganun. And then yun. Hi guys, nanonood kami ng movie. Kung Fu Fighting! What's the title, Lan? Forbidden Kingdom. Yun daw yung title. In ko na tong vlog. Si 99 Han. It's very dark.
Hi guys.
See you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Manonood lang kami ng movie. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.